Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is on a Mac. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open your Mac in recovery mode. Recovery mode is great when you want to troubleshoot your Mac or when you're ready to trade in or sell your Mac and you want to erase your hard drive. Here is how to open your Mac in recovery mode. First, you press the power button, then you immediately press the Command key and the R key. You hold these two together until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, then you can let go of the keys and wait for your computer to start up in recovery mode. So here I go. I'm going to tap the power button, then I'm going to immediately press Command R. I'm going to hold Command R until I see the Apple logo. Power button, Command R, wait for the Apple logo. There's the Apple logo. Now I can safely let go of the Command and R key and wait for the computer to open in recovery mode. And now you are in macOS recovery mode. Remember the keyboard shortcut Command R to open your Mac in recovery mode. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.